Land Rover Classic is the official home for the restoration and customization of the Classic Defender. Operating the Works Bespoke program, this specialist team builds individual vehicles to order based on donor vehicles from 2012 through 2016. Each vehicle is fully restored, re-engineered, and upgraded with 405 PS 5.0-liter V8 power. This power is managed by an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission with a sport mode. Land Rover Classic is now able to create a Classic Defender V8 that matches any color and trim combination available on the latest Defender OCTA. Clients can now choose from new exterior colors such as OCTA-exclusive Petra Copper, Pharaoh Green, and Sargasso Blue. New interior selections matching the Defender OCTA include lightweight Ultrafabrics PU in khaki green, light cloud, and lunar, alongside burnt sienna semi-aniline leather. Each Classic Defender V8 spends approximately 300 hours in the paint shop for preparation, color matching, and final polish, with options for a gloss or specially developed satin finish. Additional features include a gloss black radiator grille and chopped carbon fiber bonnet script. Pricing for the Classic Defender V8 starts from £190,000 plus applicable local taxes.